Hi all, welcome to ManoCooks and I'm Mano. Quick and easy egg fried rice is perfect for a lazy day lunch or dinner. Let's make this exciting fried rice exactly like restaurant style. Please watch this video till the end to learn all the tips to make it exactly like how we like it in our Indo-Chinese restaurants. Let's get started. Please take a note of all the ingredients. In today's video, let's see how to make egg fried rice with freshly cooked long grain basmati rice. So let's start with cooking the rice. I'm taking 1 cup of basmati rice here. Wash and soak the rice in water for 30 minutes. Now to cook the rice, let's keep a utensil on medium-high flame and boil water. Once water comes to rolling boil, add 1 tablespoon oil followed by 1 teaspoon salt. When the water starts to boil nicely, add the soaked and washed basmati rice. Tip here, always boil the rice in medium-high flame. If you are new here, please do subscribe to ManoCooks to learn more such easy recipes with all the tips and tricks, and also please click on the bell icon next to it. So as you see in the video, allow the rice to cook well, stirring once in a while. It took me 8 minutes to cook the rice completely. Rice should be well cooked and grainy. It should not be overcooked as well. Please refer to the video to check the consistency. Once the rice is cooked, drain the rice and spread the rice in a wide plate for it to cool down completely. Tip here, cooling down the rice completely is a must before we proceed with making the fried rice. To cool the rice completely, here I am keeping it in fridge for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, please take it out and keep it aside. Now to make this egg fried rice, I am taking a wide non-stick pan. Always take a thin wide pan so that the rice fills only half of the pan. This makes it easy for us to mix and cook the fried rice without crowding the pan. On medium flame, let's heat the pan and add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Tip here, any Indo-Chinese recipe would be cooked always in high flame and all the ingredients should be cooked, but it should be crunchy. So please make sure that you have all the veggies and all the ingredients ready before you start this process. Once oil is hot, add chopped garlic, saute it for some time. Add finely chopped spring onion white. Add finely chopped carrot, saute it for a while. Next add corn kernels. I am adding frozen corn. You can add cooked corn. Add finely chopped cabbage followed by finely chopped green capsicum. Tip here, all these veggies will be cooked really quick, so please make sure that you chop them really fine and also adjust the quantity of veggie according to your choice, and also you can skip any veggie. Now let's keep sauteing this for few seconds, and after that let's push the veggies to half of the pan. If you feel the need of oil, please go ahead and add some oil in this stage. Now let's add egg one by one to the pan to the other half. To the egg, let's add some salt and some pepper powder, and after 30 seconds let's quickly scramble this egg. Quick tip, always scramble the egg separately before we mix the veggies. Once the egg scramble is ready, let's mix the egg and veggie and add salt and sugar. Please remember that we have added salt while cooking the rice, and also soya sauce also has salt in it. So add salt accordingly. So now it's time to add our cold grainy rice. As you see in the video, rice should be grainy and not sticking to each other. So don't overcook the rice anytime to make the fried rice. In this stage, you can add pepper powder followed by vinegar followed by dark soya sauce. Add chili garlic sauce. Now let's mix everything slowly and gently as you see in the video, so that we don't break the rice. If you don't have soya sauce or chili garlic sauce or vinegar, need not worry. Substitute chili garlic sauce with chili sauce if you have. But even only with pepper powder, salt and chili flake seasoning, this egg fried rice would taste amazing. Once when everything is mixed very well and there are no white rice grains, turn off the stove, add chopped spring onion greens to garnish. So please do try out this recipe of restaurant style egg fried rice this weekend and enjoy with family, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and do comment me down below if you like this recipe. See you all in my next video. Thanks a lot for watching.